Yo, tech lovers, ready to have your mind blown? Because today, we're diving into 25 of the coolest, wildest, most insane tech gadgets you can get your hands on right now. We're talking futuristic tools, smart devices, epic upgrades, stuff that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Some are tiny, some are powerful. All of them, game changers. So don't blink, don't scroll, and definitely don't miss this, because the future isn't coming, it's already here, and it's waiting in your shopping cart. Ever dreamed of your favorite anime character actually talking to you? Meet the Depal D1, your fully customizable AI companion, straight out of an anime world. Oni-san? Tsundere? Genki girl bouncing off the walls? You choose! With real-time eye tracking, gesture control, and a 2.5K curved OLED screen, it feels like they're really there. Design their look, voice, personality, even their story. Over 70,000 characters to explore, and a world you control. This isn't just tech, it's your anime fantasy, brought to life. Neoclip Wallet. Say hello to the Neoclip Wallet, the world's first Find My-enabled hybrid that's part card case, part full-function wallet, and all sleek. Need your top card? Just click. Neoclip's trigger pops it up. No fumbling, no flipping. Inside, room for 6 cards, a zippered coin pocket, hidden slots, and a translucent cyberpunk design that turns heads. Built-in battery? Yup, magnetic charging, 6 months of tracking, and allowed 85 dB alert if it's lost. This isn't just smart, it's genius, right in your palm. King Opt. Meet the King Opt Optics. Night vision monocular, your eyes after dark redefined. With a powerful Starlight CMOS sensor and dual night modes, it captures ultra-clear images, even in complete darkness. Flip to infrared for sharp black and white, or go full color in low light. No flashlight, no spook. Built for adventurers, security pros, and tactical missions, this isn't toy tech. With AI noise reduction, 5-level IR, and a massive f/0.8 aperture, your night's just got a serious upgrade. King Opt Optics, see the night like never before. Snag Mag Snap Mag, the magnetic camera kit that transforms your smartphone into a pocket-sized filmmaking beast. Cinematic filters, pro grip, real lighting, full control, no DSLR needed. Snap on ND8, CPL, Black Mist, or Starburst filters in seconds. And yes, it works with iPhone, Samsung, Pixel, Huawei, Xiaomi, Oppo, and more. Want pro-level shots without the gear overload? Snap Mag's got you, because your phone's already smart. Now it's finally cinematic. Vitalink. Say goodbye to messy cables. Meet Vitalink Gen 2, the ultimate Apple-friendly charging station and Bluetooth handset in one sleek package. Snap on your iPhone with QE2 15W magnetic charging, power up your AirPods and Apple Watch at the same time, and take calls on the included Bluetooth phone with one-tap Siri access. It's compact, it's stylish, and yes, it charges everything all at once. Vitalink Gen 2 isn't just a charger, it's your new daily essential. Hydroglow. Ever feel the air so dry it tightens your skin and makes your throat sore? You need a humidifier, but not the boring kind. Say hello to Hydroglow, the world's coolest 3-in-1 device that hydrates your air, plays your favorite music, and literally dances with stunning 3D visuals. 6 to 8 hours of soothing mist, Bluetooth audio, ambient lighting, and gesture-controlled visuals. Hydroglow isn't just a humidifier, it's an experience. Why settle for dry and dull when your air can vibe? Smarger. Tired of slow, bulky Apple Watch chargers? Meet Smarger, the sleek wearable charging revolution for Series 7 to 10. This isn't just a charger, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Snap it on and power up on the go. No cables, no clutter, no downtime. Crafted for speed, portability, and protection, Smarger charges fast and fits right into your day. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or deep in the grind, your Apple Watch stays ready. Smarger, Charge smarter, live freer. Move speed. Touch SSD. Meet the Move Speed Touch SSD, the smartest external drive you'll ever own. With a 1.8-inch touchscreen, you can check real-time speed, temps, shock logs, and drive health, all at a glance. Sustained 1050 Mbps transfers, triple-layer cooling, and a sleek, business-ready design that blends into any workspace. Record 4K ProRes RAW. Straight from your iPhone 16 Pro, no post-transfer delays. 2 USB-C ports, one beast of a drive. This isn't just storage, it's serious performance in your pocket. IP Evo Totem 360. Tired of video calls that feel like you're watching through a keyhole? Meet the IP Evo Totem 360, a game changer for hybrid meetings. With 4 precision lenses, it captures a full 360 degrees view, giving remote teammates the feeling of actually being in the room. AI speaker tracking keeps the focus on whoever's talking, and 4 mics pick up every word, clearly. Plug it in via USB-C and you're ready to roll. No tech degree required. Totem 360. Meetings that finally feel like everyone's at the same table. Ordro M5. Tired of your vacation videos looking like shaky found footage horror films? Say hello to Ordro, the pocket-sized game changer with 3-axis stabilization that turns amateur clips into cinematic gold. Its 120-degree ultra-wide lens captures every detail, and built-in AI tracking keeps your subject perfectly in frame. With a crystal-clear 3.5-inch touchscreen, it's super easy to control, even on the go. Whether it's road trips or weddings, Ordro gives you pro-level video, without the pro-level price tag. Transnovo traditional charging cases? Clunky, inconvenient, outdated. Transnovo Snap Charge changes the game. Power your Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses while wearing them. No docking, no pausing life. With a modular magnetic system and dual battery swap design, you get all-day power effortlessly. And with 2 clips, 2 batteries, and 1 dock, it's perfect for couples, friends, or just keeping an extra set ready. Snap Charge. Share the power without slowing down. Zuick Iris Recognition. Super secure, ultra accurate, but usually reserved for banks, prisons, or the military. Until now. Zuick brings sci-fi level security home with the world's first smart lock powered by advanced iris tech, optimized for real life. A built-in radar detects you from 120 centimeters away, and at 80 centimeters your iris is scanned and verified in just 1 second. No fingerprints, no codes, no delays. Hands full, no problem. With Zuick, your eyes are the key. Charge Disc. Next up, meet the Charge Disc, the ultra-compact SSD that weighs less than an ounce but packs serious performance. With read-write speeds up to 1000 Mbps and up to 2 TB of storage, it's perfect for creators, travelers, and anyone on the move. What sets it apart? A built-in 13,000 RPM silent fan to prevent overheating, and hardware write protection to keep your files safe, even on public computers. Launching August 2023, Charge Disc is small, fast, and smarter than ever. Haggi's retro vibes, modern brains. Say hello to the Haggi's mini monitor USB-C hub. This pocket-sized throwback looks straight out of a 90s hacker movie, but under the hood, it's a multitasking beast. Plug in via USB-C, and you get ports and a 3.5-inch IPS display for system stats, reference images, even chat windows. It's like a digital post-it note, only cooler, sharper, and always on. With tactile buttons, minimalist charm, and real utility, Haggi's proves small tech can make a big statement. Mini Proka. Meet the Mini Proka. Desktop power packed into a device smaller than your lunchbox. With a 7-inch form factor, buttery smooth 4K visuals, and a 120 Hz refresh rate, it delivers sports car performance in a travel-sized build. Loaded with ports and just 2 pounds, it's your full workstation on the go, whether you're creating, presenting, or working remote. No more trade-offs between power and portability. Mini Proka gives you both, without the bulk. Hozo M-Cube 02. Laser the M-Cube. Auto 2 anti-gravity laser level. The world's first modular leveling tool that lets you level and measure simultaneously with surgical precision. No tripod, no problem. Its 55,000 PA suction power sticks to almost any wall, freeing up your hands for picture hanging, shelf installs, or full-on renovations. With auto repumping, fall alerts, and Bluetooth control via app, this tool is smart, stable, and seriously powerful. Whether it's drywall, tile, or brick, M-Cube 02 grips tight, measures right, and levels like a pro. This isn't just a laser tool, it's your new favorite DIY sidekick. Divoom Backpack S. Say hello to the Divoom Backpack S, the backpack that talks back. With a built-in LED screen and mobile app, you can draw pixel art, show off your favorite logos, play animations, or even send messages right from your back. It's got style, storage, and serious vibe control. From school days to Comic Cons, this isn't just a backpack, it's a full-blown pixel-powered statement. Create, display, connect. With Backpack S, your imagination goes wherever you do. Mashan Nike KT84. Most keyboards hide their brilliance. The Mashan Nike KT84, it shows it off. With a transparent chassis that reveals its inner mechanics, like a luxury watch, and a retro RGB LED matrix that screams 80s sci-fi, this board blends nostalgia with next-gen tech. Its 84-key compact layout saves space, while hot swappable switches and a dedicated volume knob bring customization and control to your fingertips. This isn't just a keyboard, it's a statement. The KT84 makes every keystroke personal. DockCase Pocket. NVMe adapter. This tiny adapter turns cheap M2 SSDs into blazing fast, pocket-sized powerhouses and makes CFast card users cry in the process. With a built-in display, you get real-time temps, speeds, and drive health because transparency beats plastic covers any day. USB-C gives you pro-level transfer speeds without the pro-level price tag. Pair it with a $25 256GB drive, and boom, creator-grade performance on a ramen budget. Smart, simple, powerful. This is the kind of tech we love to see. HiDock. Say goodbye to messy desktops, tinny audio, and headphone headaches. Meet HiDock, the all-in-one speakerphone built for hybrid work. It's not just a speaker, it's a USB-C hub, voice recorder, and a productivity powerhouse. Just plug it into your MacBook, Windows laptop, or iPad, and boom, your workspace is ready anywhere. With Voice Zoom TM Tech, HiDock cuts up to 45 dB of background noise, so your voice comes through crystal clear, even in chaos. Work smarter, sound better, and stay connected. HiDock makes remote work actually work.